I'm sitting in a 2011 Jeep Patriot. We're going to be adding a remote head key to this vehicle. I have the key turned in the ignition to on. You can see on the dashboard that the security light is flashing because it is not programmed. So we're going to pull the pin and program this vehicle. So we'll go to Patriot, pin extraction, 2011, CAN 2, read the pin, 1721. Let's back out 3 screens. Go into 2011, key coding. The pin number will be stored. Keys on. Program the key. There's our stored pin. Hit enter. There's the programming tone. 3 keys programmed. That's it. Take our key out. You can see locks and unlocks. Put it in the ignition. Turn it to on. There's our security light. And it is out. And the vehicle starts. We're done.